buhay. Pati mahirap, may karapatan na gumaling.
Alright, we've got one last question here. We're running out of time, Kado. 0932-202-7365. Pinoy and De Lima are pests collaborating with the left to destroy our system. Well, I'm not going to go that far to say that they are doing so. I think they are certainly overzealous. Sobrang kanilang zealousness in trying to pursue an objective, that their means are becoming questionable, and it would suggest that they have already overstepped the bounds of law in terms of what they're doing. But of course, that is just our opinion and the opinion of quite a number of other legal minds. I'm sure there are other legal minds who disagree totally. So, Kadodo, we hope that we will hear more from you, and I hope there will be more who will follow your example of standing on principle, that your love for your country transcends your loyalty to your party.
Yun naman tungkulin lang natin. Kaya tayo narito, ayun nga, paglilingkod sa bayan, paglilingkod sa ating Panginoon at sa ating mga kababayan. At lalo na sa panahong ito, talagang kailangan ng bansang Pilipinas. Tayong Pilipino, napakahuhusay, napakagagaling, napakaganda ng puso, ha? At ang ating kalooban. Ang gusto lang natin, bigyan naman natin ang ating mga kababayan, bigyan ng Pilipino ng pagkakataon na muli humarap kahit kanino, taas noo. Pilipino.
And on that note, my friends, I have to say goodbye to you. Thank you for being with us, Kadodo. Salamat at naubusan na tayo ng panahon. God bless you, and we'll see you next week.
People of this country, hindi makikita yung pinanggalingan natin.
Basta ito, susundo ka ng doktor, abuling ka ng aso, wala tayong tinanas.
Hindi nire-release naman ng pork barrel kasi useless naman.
Mga patay, papabigyan ko ng 5,000 from my... So,
marami na nagsasabi na
hindi, dahil baka kunyari, lahat ng madi-dismiss, mang-hostage na lang para ma-reinstate.